How to block someone on Snapchat. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to block someone on Snapchat. First, open or launch the Snapchat app, just like you can see here. This is the main homepage of the app as displayed here. On this screen, you will find different features and shortcuts that help you access various areas of your Snapchat account. From there, tap on the profile icon. It's the icon with a person symbol located at the top left corner of the screen. This action takes you to your Snapchat profile page. On this page, you'll find several sections that provide access to settings and other features of the app. From here, scroll down a bit. Make sure you follow each step closely to avoid making any mistakes. Let's continue. Now, locate the section named Friends. This is where you can access your list of Snapchat friends. Next, tap on this option right here. Your full friends list will then appear on the screen. Scroll through the list to find the person or account you would like to block. Alternatively, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the user. Once you've found the person, long press on their username. A pop-up menu will appear with several actions you can take. From the available options, tap on the one labelled Manage Friendship. Once you do that, another set of options appears. Here, you'll see the choices to report, remove, or block the user from your friend list. Since our goal is to block the person, go ahead and tap on Block. After that, a confirmation message will appear asking you to confirm your action. If you are certain, just go ahead and confirm. The person will then be successfully blocked from your Snapchat account. Additionally, if the person appears in your chat list, you can also long press on their name from there. The same menu window will show up. From those options, again tap on Manage Friendship. Then from the next list of actions, go ahead and select Block. Confirm your decision, and just like that, the user will be blocked. The entire process is quick and easy. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to block someone on Snapchat.